Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarec channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable accessibility shortcut on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open your settings of course, and then in the settings page, to activate or to enable your accessibility shortcut, you just have to scroll it down until you'll find here the accessibility options. Tap on it. Now we just have to scroll it down again until we'll find the accessibility menu. And after here, you'll see the accessibility menu shortcut. You just have to tap on the button beside it, and now tap on the low and tap on OK. And yeah, as you can see, this is the green one. This is the accessibility menu shortcut. So yeah, we can use the feature here at the accessibility menu to help us easier to use it. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.